This is the UDL I'm going to be talking about today. For this UDL, we use Powtoon, which kind of gives you a presentation slideshow along with movement for presentation. This one was on my goals as a teacher, and I created it on September 8th, towards the beginning of the semester. I did this project as if I was addressing my class for the first day. So I said, "Hi class, my name is Mrs. Coop." And then I told them my teaching philosophy is to help them become great learners and to achieve academic success later in life. And then I want my students to always remember these things, that it's okay to make mistakes. Don't be afraid to ask questions, and to always relate what we learned in class to real life situations. And then I want them to know how to apply this and what it means for them. So making mistakes. I want my students to know that making mistakes is how we learn. That they need to first realize that they've made a mistake, analyze why it was a mistake, and then grow and learn from it. No one's ever learned from having everything right, mistakes, or how you learn. And I want my students to know it's okay to do that, and it's a learning experience not just for them, but for everyone else watching and listening. And number 2 is asking questions. I want my students to know that there's never a dumb question that they could ask, and that they shouldn't be afraid to ask or question why the reason things are the way they are. I think it provides a good learning experience for everyone listening, and that students should have creativity in questioning, and they don't get that creativity unless they question things, unless they wonder why things are the way they are. I want to make sure that my students are relating everything we teach and learn in class to their everyday lives, because there's no point in learning any of this information if they aren't able to use it later on in life. And I think that's very important, and it helps prepare them for their future in college, high school, and everyday lives, no matter the path they end up taking. And I just hope to let my students know that we're going to achieve success together, and that if they have any questions or problems or situations, that I want them to feel comfortable coming to me for those.